Hey guys, what's going on? So I ordered this off of eBay a while ago and it arrived just now. This is an iPhone 4S refurbished. So today I'm going to show you what you can expect when you buy one of these from eBay. Now this one did come with this case that I haven't opened yet. And also this nice tempered glass screen protector. So yeah, this was resealed. They did a pretty good job of that. Now, refurbished basically means that this phone was taken and repaired in some way. Now, every one is different. So, in my case, I don't really remember. It doesn't really matter. I might write in the description this one's story. So yeah, let's open the box, see what's inside and how it's packaged. Okay, so this is cool. And this is the black one that I ordered because I prefer black phones. And this feels really heavy. I don't know if it was always this way. Interesting. So when I was a kid, I always wanted one of these phones, and now I finally have one because they're really dirt cheap. So this looks pretty much brand new. Let's try and see if it powers on. Alright, so it powers on. Let's put that aside. Alright, so this really is like the real thing. So in here we got some ejector tool and alright. And lightning. This all looks brand new. Even the charging brick is covered. Even the charging brick is covered. The phone itself looks nice. It's probably gonna take a while to boot since it's an old phone, and even newer phones first boots always takes time. So everything looks pretty good. Alright, we have our menu thing. Alright, everything seems to work. So yeah, this is already on iOS something. Alright, this is a pretty nice case actually. It adds some grip. It's not gonna protect the phone. And this is really weak glass because this is the first time Apple did glass. Other than that, yeah, looks good. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna play around with this. No point in reviewing it since it's been around for so long. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.